In 2024, global pineapple production hit 28.6 million tons. How does this vast cultivation-to-table process unfold so seamlessly? Pineapples thrive in tropical climates with well-drained sandy soils. Once the land is prepared, farmers often use vegetative propagation, planting the crowns or slips of mature pineapples. These are allowed to grow for about a year, reaching maturity and readiness for harvest. Pineapples require specific care and attention throughout their growth cycle. Farmers monitor factors such as water, fertilizer, and pest control to ensure optimal plant conditions. Watering is a critical aspect of pineapple cultivation, and farmers must strike a balance to prevent waterlogging and drought stress. Pineapples generally require well-drained soil. Irrigation systems are often implemented to provide consistent moisture. Farmers lay black plastic sheets over prepared soil and pineapple fields. This practice serves multiple purposes throughout the cultivation cycle. The dark color of the plastic effectively suppresses weed growth, mitigating competition for essential resources like water and nutrients. Moreover, the plastic mulch helps conserve soil moisture, crucial in tropical climates where water availability can be a concern. The black plastic absorbs and retains heat, creating a warmer environment that promotes optimal root development and accelerates the overall growth of pineapple plants. Harvesting is a crucial step in pineapple production and requires skilled labor. The fruit is typically harvested when it reaches its peak ripeness, which is determined by factors such as color, size, and aroma. Harvesting is done by hand as the fruit does not ripen uniformly. After harvest, the pineapples are transported to packing houses where they undergo cleaning, sorting, and grading. This ensures that only high-quality fruits move on to the next stages of processing. The washing process in pineapple production is a crucial step undertaken after harvest to ensure the cleanliness and safety of the fruit. Pineapples are typically subjected to thorough washing to remove dirt, debris, and any residues that may have accumulated on the outer surface during cultivation and harvest. In commercial operations, specialized washing equipment is often employed, ranging from conveyor systems with water jets to brush and spray systems. Pineapples move along conveyor systems to the next stage, often leading to an area where a team of skilled workers performs the selection and sorting, ensuring that only high-quality pineapples progress further in the production line. The selection process involves careful examination of each pineapple for various quality parameters. Workers assess factors such as size, color, ripeness, and overall appearance. This meticulous selection ensures that only premium pineapples meeting specific standards continue through the production process. The chosen pineapples are directed to the packaging area, a dynamic and bustling environment. The pineapples are meticulously packed into carton boxes, a process that involves a combination of automated systems and the dedicated efforts of a large workforce. Conveyors transport the selected pineapples to various stations where workers, often numbering in the hundreds, handle the packaging. Modern packaging systems utilize technology to streamline the process. Labels, barcodes, and other necessary information are affixed to the packaging to facilitate inventory management and traceability.